Good morning. So today is our first at sea day, and right now my parents and I are going to the adults only brunch, and I'm super excited because I have not been before because I haven't been 18 on our last cruise. So yeah, but first we're going to do some shopping, so I'm really excited. So last time I vlogged was this morning, I think, like talking but we had an awesome lazy at sea day, and brunch was amazing. I didn't really film much because I was just focused on eating, but it was really good. And then we sat by the pool for most of the day, and then I started to become kind of sick and in a lot of pain, so I came back to the room and I took a nap and took some pain medicine, and now we are all ready to go to dinner. It is formal night, so dinner on, like, for us, there's two seatings. There's one at 6:30 and one at 8:30. We have 8:30 just because our excursions run really late on this cruise, but we're gonna leave a little early so we can get some professional pictures done, because on every cruise we buy, it's like Disney World, they have a photo package, we buy that. So the ship's photographers are pretty great and they get some good pictures. So yeah, I'm really excited. I am gonna bring you guys to dinner like I did last night, and Haley and I are watching, we just watched Finding Nemo, and then Finding Dory just finished. That was what we did after, like, I came back to the room and stuff. And Haley has been with her friend. They came on the cruise with us. They came on the cruise with us, her family. They are the nicest people. I mean, they're kind of all of our friends, but they're from Australia. We met them on our last cruise, actually, so that's pretty cool. But we've been getting really good fish extender stuff too. I will show you later. I just don't want to, I'm probably going to do like one big haul at the end, just because we've been getting so much stuff and I don't want to break it up into like 30 little sections. So yeah, anyways, you probably can tell I'm loopy, but it's been cold and raining this afternoon and evening, so that's not good. And part of our excursion got canceled for tomorrow, so that's not good either, but it's okay. We'll make the most of it, and we're still super excited. So yeah. And also, I was showing you guys earlier that this ship has literally been following us. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. They have been following us. It's really hard to tell. They were so close to us because we had to go between these two Italian islands, and they were like, I don't know, maybe 50 feet away from us, so that was pretty cool. But it is a little rougher today. You can definitely feel the boat rocking, which I'm okay with. I don't get seasick, but my mom does, so that's not fun, but it's not too bad. It's definitely not the worst. So yeah, I just thought I'd check in and tell you how our day was going. It was the best first day at sea that we could have asked for, and I can't wait for the rest of the trip, but I also am so depressed that it's going to be over before we know it. So we're leaving now, and I will talk to you guys later. done with dinner and look at how cute the towel animal elephant is. And tomorrow we are in Naples. I'm so excited. But right now it's pretty late and we have to get up early. So I am going to go to bed and I can't wait for tomorrow. Good morning. So today we just docked in Naples. It's 7:30 and we have an excursion booked for 8, so we are going to get off the ship soon and go explore. We aren't staying in Naples. We're going to go to Sorrento and Pompeii and maybe one other town, but we're all super excited. guys, so I am back from dinner. That's when I normally end the vlog for the night, and I just wanted to go over what we did today like I did the past 2 days. Today was amazing. So the weather was actually really bad, so part of our excursion got canceled. We were supposed to take a ferry to Capri, or I know I'm saying that wrong, the Italians say it Capri, but you know what I mean. So that was canceled because the weather was too bad for that. So instead we went to Positano, Italy, which was the most beautiful and cute little city I've ever been in my entire life. I vlogged a lot because we did the Amalfi Coast drive to get there, and it's just, I can't even explain how beautiful it was, and even the video and pictures I took don't capture even 50% of the beauty or what it's like to actually be there. So that was breathtaking, and I'm so happy we went there instead of Capri, even though I'm sure Capri was probably just as beautiful, if not more. We originally wanted to do a Positano excursion, but we couldn't find one that that would go to all the places we wanted, so this worked out perfect. And then after that, we went to Sorrento and we walked around and we got some real Italian gelato, which by the way is so good. And then it started pouring again, which it was pouring when we got off in the morning, but it stopped when we got to Positano, which was perfect. But it ended up pouring the entire time we were in Sorrento, which was okay. That was more of like a shopping town. You didn't really sightsee as much, so that was still really fun. And then we got some real Italian pizza, which was so good too. So yeah, after that we went to Pompeii, which was the most exciting thing for me on this trip. So I was beyond excited, and unfortunately it was still pouring and thundering and lightning, but honestly it didn't really make a difference. I enjoyed every moment of it, and we were there for 2 hours, but we barely even scratched the surface. You could easily spend like 2 full days just exploring Pompeii and learning about the history. So that was definitely the best part of the day, and I am so blessed that we were able to experience that, because that is definitely a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it just blows my mind that that city is 2,000 years old. So yeah, I am in super pain. That made no sense, sorry. I'm in quite a bit of pain. I did have to take pain meds, but I did walk the entire day. I didn't use my wheelchair at all, so that is great, but now I'm definitely paying for it. And then we got back on the ship, and that was pretty much it. We did a little bit of shopping, and then went to dinner, and that was pretty much our day, and it was awesome. Tomorrow we go to Rome. We are on our way now, and I'm so excited for that one too, but this excursion is 10 hours long, so I'm a little nervous with my health, but I am going to bring pain meds with me. And we do, all of our tours, we have private drivers, so they're able to get really close to the points that we want to see, instead of like if you took a bus you'd have to walk to get to those spots, but our driver can park right out front, which is super nice. So anyways, it is pretty late. It's 11:30 and we have to get up at 6:30 because we have to be off the ship by 7:30. So I gotta get going and go to bed. But today was amazing, and it still feels like I'm in a dream. So anyways, good night.